It's actually getting better now. I was scared it was broken, but it was. They just said it was a broken frame. So now, okay, thank you. That's fine. I'll be one. Yep, I just seen him on get my It did good though. But that's fine. I'll see you one day. This is right here down. It was all down here, but now it's just right there. Yeah. You want to give him a father? You want to give him a father? What do you say? The hot pad and then the ice. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, come on.
Okay, liner on top of my liner.
The 360. The bathroom right there. 360. I'm trying to put it in the bowl, but I can't do it. Come on, Nina. Come on, everything on the altitude, the big pay. I'm not even ready for the
Yeah, 2 layers. Because I'm a lash addict, but you may need the little lash handle thing to help you in the beginning. I just want to start in the corner of your eye. Inner corner. I didn't like that placement, so took it up to readjust. Lydia. She is the full curve. That was too close to my eye, the corner. So we took it off to readjust. Come back over a little bit. And just grab the lash by the hair and not by the band. And it does make a difference what position your head is in. Yeah, because I have to cool it down there. I like this placement better. Bam, bam. So when you get it where you want it, you want to run your finger across the band to make sure it just sticks well and there's no light between the lash and your lid. Boom, bam, boom. Profile. Okay, so now you see the difference? This is what it looks like. Looking straight into the camera. Looking down. Looking left. Looking right. Now let's do my left eye. I should have waited a little bit longer for my lash liner to dry, but I'm at work, so I gotta move it. Move it, move it. Move it, move it. Well, I'm working. How about that? And just put it right where the hair actually starts on your lash lid. That's your beginning point. I promise I'll make a better video later when I have time, but done is better than perfect, as Billie Jean would say. Boom, boom. Okay. Profile. Now this is Lydia. This is the longest, thottiest length I have. Of course, that's the one I want. But I also have some conservative lengths too. Excuse me. Mucinex working. Make sure you run your finger over, like this. Over the band, like that. Run your finger over the band to make sure all your magnets are connecting. Boom, bam, boom, boom, bam, boom. Make sure you look up to make sure you can't see any light between your lash and the lid. If you don't see any, you like the placement, you're good to go. And I'm done with this video.